the air.
Hit it one time? Huh? Hit it once? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. No more? Alright, hold it. You got the rag? Yep. There's a 90 degrees, so maybe we'll try to hit that rag. I don't know if that was connected or not.
Yeah, we can hit it from here. It's connected.
Hit it. Nice. I wasn't able to go all the way down that bed for some reason. Right. We got some drywall debris in there, but nothing crazy.
Oh.
Look how shiny it is.
Shiny.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's new.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Put that one back in the bag.
When the air goes through, they just spin.
Yep.
Oh, I see.
And then we have a whole bunch of different attachments in there, different styles. So what we need
different style. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And then this will go like this. Wah, 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 wah,
Oh.
as this is spinning.
But it seems difficult to get it in.
For that one, because it's a metal, it has two 90s. It's turn.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Yeah. Not like a promise snake, they can twist in, you know.
It's not too bad. No.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah.
Oh.这就是美国清理那个Duct，然后呢，这边在抽风。他们清理这个，然后这里过来抽风回去。上，太简单了。